Introducing the 2024 Volvo XC40 Rchrg plus EXT RNG 5-door auto in sleek grey. This electric beauty is not just a vehicle, it's a lifestyle upgrade. With advanced features like ambient lighting, satellite navigation, and collision avoidance braking, safety and style go hand in hand. Luxurious interior details like cup holders and a load cover make every drive comfortable and convenient. Plus, the chrome package and roof rails add a touch of elegance. Rest assured, this vehicle has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check, serviced to manufacturer specification, and comes with a comprehensive warranty for peace of mind. Don't miss out on this opportunity to drive the future today. Call us or visit spiritmotorgroup.ie for more information. Drive stylishly, drive confidently, drive the 2024 Volvo XC40 Rchrg plus EXT RNG.